The hot weather persists over South Africa's interior with a heat wave advisory for Gauteng, parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo all the way through to the weekend. You'll see a few thundershowers between the northwest and the eastern interior on Tuesday afternoon, but that brings very little relief from the very hot weather at the moment. The hot weather persists over much of South Africa's interior on Wednesday, with a few thundershowers in the forecast, mainly for the Highveld, mostly sunny and dry over the western parts, with some cloud expected for the Cape provinces. There's a high fire danger rating over the central part of South Africa with dry and windy conditions in the forecast, and you'll see light winds along much of South Africa's coastline. Sunny and sizzling hot for Richards Bay at 37, just shy of 40 for Lundi. Thundershowers are expected for Ladysmith, Newcastle and Vryheid, with the highs in the middle and upper 30s. The hot weather also extends through to the interior part of the Eastern Cape, but highs remain in the mid-20s for Port Alfred and East London, both with some cloud overhead. Partly cloudy at 23 degrees for Port Elizabeth, as well as George and Mossel Bay. Sunny and hot for Beaufort West and Oudtshoorn, both in the low 30s, and we keep in the low 30s over the interior part of the Western Cape. Partly cloudy at 23 degrees for Cape Town and Longabon, and we're expecting a high of 30 as we head towards Vredendal. Springbok, partly cloudy 32 degrees. It'll be a dry day throughout the Northern Cape with windy conditions over the eastern parts. Scorching hot for Uppington at 40 degrees with a high fire danger warning over the eastern part of the Northern Cape, Western Free State and Western Northwest. Bloemfontein and Welkom both top 35 degrees. Sizzling hot, partly cloudy and dry for the northwest with highs in the middle and upper 30s. You'll see the hot weather continuing for Limpopo, 38 degrees for Lephalale and Messina and Phalaborwa, both at around 40 degrees with uninterrupted sunshine there. A toasty afternoon for Skukuza at 42 degrees. Thundershowers are expected throughout the Mpumalanga Highveld with highs mainly in the low and middle 30s. A similar day for Gauteng, 33 degrees for Soweto and Johannesburg, and Pretoria and Vereeniging in the mid-30s. With the heat wave conditions continuing, we can expect dehydration, heat exhaustion and heat stroke. So make sure you try and keep your body temperature down by staying out of the sunlight in the heat of the day and also drinking lots of fluids. On Thursday, we might get a slight break in the heat in the afternoon with thundershowers over the central and eastern parts, and on Friday rain cools things off along the east coast, but temperatures remain hot over South Africa's interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.